Hey everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me today. And today I'm going to try to make a hollow form out of this piece of Bradford pear. I haven't done many, if any, before. So it's been an experiment, and it's been a while since I've turned anything. It's been a long time since I made a turning video, so I'm a bit rusty, but we'll see how it works out anyway. Before I do that, I want to show a new sticker I got. John from Jigsy Shed just sent me a sticker. I appreciate it, John. You guys, you need to go check out his stuff if you haven't already, because he does some good work. So yeah, go check him out, give him some support, and I'm gonna quit jabbering and get to it. Try to fill some of these tear outs and stuff in with some CA and wood shavings. Then I'll be right back. Alright, I filled in the crack. I think I might have to do more after I hollow it. So I'm not going to finish the outside yet. I'm getting ready to drill it out and do some hollowing. I'm going to put a little decorative piece here on top. I don't like just this flat part, so here we go. Alright, so in true Bradford pear form, see I've got a bunch of cracks. You can see those. Bradford pear is bad for cracking and splitting and breaking. So got some cracks here. I'm gonna start hollowing a little bit. Probably gonna have to fix those with some glue. Alright, well, I'm gonna start sanding. I've hollowed it out. I didn't record really much of that because you couldn't really see anything anyway. I couldn't even see anything. It was just going by feel. And yeah, can't say it was a whole lot of fun, but I'm done, and I'm gonna finish the outside. So I'll start with 120, and then go up probably to 600. I'll probably just go to 400 and do some sanding sealer and pasting. Anyway, we'll go from there. Might need my mask on. I did have it on hollowing while I was hollowing, in case anybody asks. Took it off for a minute to get ready. So anyway, here we go. Alright, I'm gonna use my shellac-based sanding sealer here. See how we're looking. Alright, this is going to take quite a bit, I think, so once again, I'm going to take care of this, and then I'll come back when this is done. Alright, so I got about 3, I think, coats of sanding sealer. I sanded it up to 400. Got about 3 coats of sanding sealer, so now we're going to go with the Abrasive sanding paste. Don't forget, if you want to buy some, use the code CITY10. You get 10% off. Nice. Alright, I'm not going to use the polish this time because I'm going to spray it. I'm going to spray it with this supposedly fast drying polyurethane clear gloss. And I'm not sure how that would stick with the polish, so I'm going to coat the inside with the sealer, just make it pretty in there, and so it's not dry looking and somewhat waterproof. Anyway, seal it up. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take it off the chuck. I'll cut this tenon off and sand the bottom, and then we'll make her pretty and shiny. All right, well, I cut the tenon off with a bandsaw. Apparently I need a new blade because it looks like it burned it off, but anyway, I'm gonna sand this down and give it pretty much the same treatment as the outside. So here we go. Alright, I'm going to clean it off some denatured alcohol. Well, it's a little bit missing in the middle, but be alright. Have to be alright. It's hard to write on that. It's so small. I got a bad hand. Oh well. Looks like a kindergartner found it. That's okay. Alright. Clean it off again, and I'm gonna Put the sanding sealer on the bottom and then we'll spray it. I'm gonna clean this mess up and spray it here in just a little bit. Alright, so I'm getting ready to spray it here. I got it on my little turntable to help me out. Hope I don't make a mess on everything. Alright, we'll let that dry for a little bit and I'll give it a few coats and we'll see how she looks. Alright, well, here it is. I think it turned out alright. It's been a few days, actually almost 2 months since I actually finished it. But here I am getting to it now. So what do you think? My first hollow form, you can't see inside there, but I finished the inside of it with walnut oil and turned out pretty good, I think. So for my first, I believe, as far as I can remember anyway, first hollow form. And not a big fan of hollowing right now. I've just got to get used to it, I guess. Got a lot of catches and just I'll get there. But anyway, thank you if you stuck through to the end. Appreciate you watching and supporting me. If you're a subscriber or a follower, thank you very much. Don't forget, I'm also on Rumble. If you would prefer to use that platform, I put all my videos over there too. So I hope you guys have a blessed day, a great day, and you stay safe. Again, thanks for watching, and till the next time, we'll see you. Bye.